welcome back to Shift Focus. And seriously, why should Paloma have all the fun? So on one bright weekend, I dragged my crew along all the way from Chennai to here in Mahabalipuram to freak out in a Zumba fitness party. And for all of you out there who have no clue what Zumba is, watch out. It was conceived when a fitness instructor forgot to carry his regular tapes to his fitness class and instead played Latin salsa and merengue music. Zumba is probably the most fun way to lose those extra calories, as Timmy from Australia was here to show. At the Radisson Mahabalipuram, the Zumba party is just about to start, and let me introduce to you the very fit Timmy Naidu, who is a South African Indian but has flown down all the way from Australia here in Chennai just to teach people in Chennai how to Zumba. Now, what brings you here, Tim?
Zumba brings me to Chennai today. Yes, we've hopefully getting the people more aware about the great fitness part of Zumba, but also the great fun part of Zumba.
All right. Now, yeah, Zumba is a very, very lesser known concept here in India at least, and people are not really that aware about it. Now, what is Zumba really? Is it like more of dance, less of exercise? What is it really?
Zumba is a combination of dance and exercise. It is dance-based, but it takes the exercise word out of it. A lot of people get scared when you say exercise, so we don't say the word exercise. We say come have a party, have some fun. People get really caught up in the music, in the dancing, and they don't really realize that they are actually exercising and getting quite a lot more out of it than just the dance.
All right. Now, a very interesting thing you mentioned, that people are actually scared of the exercise. Now, the thing is, you've come here for the first time in India, and people are going to travel all the way from the main city to here in Mahabalipuram. What do you have? What are you going to offer them?
We're going to show them what real Zumba is about. I mean, you have a lot of people that say Zumba and, you know, teach a few steps here and there, but we want to give Chennai and the area around a real taste of what real Zumba is, how much of fun it really can be, and yes, can see what kind of a workout we are getting while we're doing it, so they can see that part.
Yeah, I can hear the music. The music has already started. The party is actually kicking in. So I'll let you go. But before that, this is the first time you've come to India. How would you rate India as a fitness conscious state? Because we love to have our lunch and just laze around in front of the TV.
I noticed that, but I think a lot of people are becoming very much aware of the fitness side of things. I've had lots of questions, lots of people, you know, participating in all our demos, and I think it's going to be something that's really going to take off here in Chennai.
All right. Yeah, we're all looking forward to that. So all thumbs up to Zumba.
Yes.
Before Timmy could get the crowd swinging its hips to her moves, it was time for some desi Zumba. And what do I mean by that? The crowd was all dhunak dhunak dhun to warming up for Zumba. Zumba is a well-known and heavily practiced art in the West, although it is just about making forays in the Indian fitness game. And what better way to introduce the concept than to throw a Zumba party against a picturesque beach in the Mahabs. It was the first time this was happening in India, and I had to catch up with the lady who masterminded it all. How do you get all of this together in Chennai? How was it? Was it difficult, easy? How was it?
It was not easy at all, let me just tell you. Misfit was launched in November last. So we're just a startup fitness center. And we have all the other the usual aerobics, yoga, Bollywood dance thing. So I incorporated Zumba as well. And I've been doing a lot of research about Zumba. And in the Western countries, Zumba parties are very common and they are big. You have the numbers in thousands. So the last 2-3 months, I've just been, studying more and more about it. Then I said once Misfit settles down, 2-3 months down, I'm going to have one.
The music slowly sunk in with the sinking sun, and as the decibels grew louder, Chennaites started breaking out of their shell and throwing their bodies around. Jittery first-timers were soon leaving all care behind and making patterns in the air in unison. But one thing was difficult to point out: were they here for the dance and the exercise, or for the exercise and the dance? Still, at the Zumba party, it was really difficult to persuade the participants to come outside, have a word with us. But I've got someone here, Chitra, who definitely doesn't look like she needs a fitness regime.
Yes, I do, because it's always good to work out and get yourself and be in shape. And this is a fun thing to do. You work out, you dance as well as you work out, so I've been enjoying it so far.
All right. And what are you here for the dance and the exercise, or for the exercise and the dance?
Actually, I don't know the answer to that because I'm still trying it out and it's been fun. And I think it's a mixture of both, I would say, because either way is you burn your calories, at the same time you're having fun, so why not? So I like to dance, and I usually dance only when I go out, so this is a good way to dance and get the exercise. So.
All right. You stay in the States, and right now you're in India, so how would you compare the two countries? I mean, the States, is it like more fitness conscious? People are more aware about Zumba and all that?
Yes, they are. It's a big thing. Zumba is very big. A lot of my friends do it. Almost every gym has a class that goes on, and people sign up and they enjoy it. So it's been catching up a big, I would say out of 5 days a week, I think about 3 days there's Zumba parties, like Zumba classes that go on. Yes.
All right, cool. So we won't hold you back. There's still lots more of dance and fun and exercise that's coming up. So people from all the walks of life are gathering here at this party, at this Zumba party. I've got a software engineer here, Vinodini. So what kind of fitness regime do you follow?
I just follow Zumba. That's because for entertainment purpose, and as I'm a software engineer, I don't have time for workout and stuff. So as I know I go for shuttle, and except for that I go for Zumba. It's really nice.
Alright, so when you say that, that means that you've done Zumba before. It's not the first time you're here for Zumba.
I've been for Zumba before 2 months, and I do, just for 2 months. That's why I'm just a learner. I don't know Zumba that well.
Alright, now how do you get to know of things like Zumba? Because still out there, people are not really aware of Zumba. So how do you follow internet? How do you get to know of Zumba?
Actually, in Chennai, we're the first batch to go enter Zumba and just start learning. I just got to know from the internet and websites, and from my friends. Yes.
Alright, now you're here for the dance, or you're here for the exercise today?
No, both for both and for the party. Because we've been working on for 2-3 months and just wanna hang out at the party. So we friends and family, everyone, we have come here to party.
Fun was what was promised, and fun was what was delivered, both for the first-timers and the followers of Zumba. And if you thought that was all, there was a surprise package in the form of some wildly clad NIFT students who were all set to devour any tiredness. After a long, hard week at work, it was really difficult to motivate myself for a workout. But what a fun workout Zumba has been. But you guys don't go anywhere, friends, because the show is not over yet. On the other side of this break, Dipti is waiting for you with a brand new mall in Chennai.